Okay everyone, in this video I will share to you about how to make the 6 and 15 meter long house design tutorial. Okay, first of all we can make the rotated rectangle in here. We can click and type 6000 and type 15 meter. Then now we can click and push it up, type 300. Okay, triple click, make group. Okay, then now we can select the depth measure tool and just click type 5 meter in here for the carport, and then now we can make the rectangle. Click from this position until 8 meter to the behind in here, and just make the little corner to make terrace area in here. Now we can erase some unnecessary line. Then now we can just click and offset it inside, type 150 millimeter. You can erase the center plane and push it up, type 4.5 meter. Then do it triple click and make group in here, and then now we can make the line in here, and also in the position in here, and on the position. Then now we can click and push it up, type 300 millimeter and triple click and also make group. Then now we can make the rectangle and click from this point to this point, click and push it up, type 250 millimeter and also make group. Okay, then now we can select the tape measure tool, click type 1 meter for the main door wide, and then now we can click and type 2.5 meter for the main door height in here. Okay, and just place. Then now we can push it until the we can push it until to the limit, and we can push it up 50 millimeters in here. Okay, now we can just make the simple window in here, and offset it, push it to the behind in here, and make the rectangle in here and offset it inside 35 millimeter, and just triple click and push it to the behind 120 and make group. And then now we can make the glazing in here and make group in here, and then now we can make the main door with the thick frame in here, with the thick frame, and offset it inside, type 60 and just click and just place and erase and push it to the behind 120 and triple click and also make group and make the rectangle in here, and click and push it to the front 40 millimeter. And then now we can click and select move type control and just place, type 3 slash and enter in here and triple click, make group. Okay, then now we can just move it to the behind in here, sketch like this. Then now we can select the tape measure tool again, click and also click and make the window and push it to the behind in here. And now we can make the rectangle, okay, we can make the rectangle and offset it inside, type 35 in here. Okay, and push it to the behind 120 and triple click, make group and make the rectangle, triple click and make group in here. And okay, then now we can select the glass. Okay, and then now we can select the wood materials in here. Can use this one, and then now we can select the dark color to make the frame on the position and on the position in here. And okay, now we can make the slab in here. We can make the slab over there. Okay, and push it down, type 200 millimeter in here. This is for the conceptual purpose anyway. So now we can make another accent in here and push it to the front and just make group, and we can make another accent in here and push it to the front and triple click. Okay, and okay, we can make the rectangle in here, and okay, and just place. And now we can select the landscaping. Okay, then now we can sign about the pavement. Okay, then now we can select the color and select the dark materials in here, and select the gray and gray and also gray. Now we can sign about this one. And okay, now we can select another stone materials, or okay, now we can select another travertine materials in here to make it more impressive, and also this one. Okay, now we can just select this one, and okay, maybe we can make the rectangle and just scale and push it to the behind, and again in here, and make the rectangle in here, and just place to the position and double click, group. Okay, maybe we can simplify about the roofing over there in here, to make it more simple. And okay, now we can determine about the color of the canopy. We can also select the concrete materials just like this. Okay, and about the terrace area in here, and okay, and maybe we can click and select move tab control and just place. Okay, to make it one. And okay, we can erase some unnecessary line over there, and now we can add more silhouette people over there, and at the tree we can add the tree in here and just scale it down. Okay, and just scale it down, and we can select the glass, and we select the green glass materials in here. Okay, just like this. And okay, now we can make the another coloring. We can select the blue. Okay, we can select the blue, set it inside. Okay, and just place on the position in here, and now we can select the cladding in here. Okay, just like this. So this is about the result. And you can also set up about the gray color vector materials in here, over there. And okay, and after that, now we can make the another something. Maybe we can make it just like this over there. Okay, and it's done. Or maybe we can add more the line in here, just like a move tab control. Okay, just like this. Okay, thank you for watching. I hope it will be a lot of beneficial for you, so you can explore more about the roof, about the another component element, and much more about this one. Or maybe you can also scale about the texture. We can scale about the texture with the 5,000 maybe, or maybe around 2,000. Okay, I think it was enough. But now we can also set up about the pattern, about the pattern materials in here, over there. And this is just like this. And this is about the door handle. We can make the door handle just like this, and make this one, and make the curve in here. Okay, then now we can click the curve. Okay, click and select the pull and place and make group in here. And now we can make the circle for the lock case in here. This is about the lock case, about the door. And now we can make the simple lock case in here. Okay, now we can give it dark materials in here, over there. And you can click and select this surface and copy, exit from the group and paste in place, and set it outside in here. Okay, just like this. Or maybe you can make it more longer than before in here. Okay, so this is about the result anyway. Thank you for watching.